Can someone establish a premarital agreement if they are married? Attorney Kenneth Raggio says, "It's called a marital agreement, although it looks and feels exactly like a premarital agreement, and it can be useful. For example, say the wife inherits $500,000 from a parent. Without a marital agreement, all the income and interest on that money is community property and may also become commingled with her separate estate if she's not careful. A specific purpose marital agreement can say that anything she received through inheritance is hers, and she can do whatever she wants with it, and that's necessary because, absent that, the law treats all income as community, which leads to commingling and, therefore, leads to lawyer and expert fees. A good reason to have a premarital agreement, in many cases, is to avoid the wealth transfer that comes with having lawyers and experts argue about everything at the time of dissolution, whether through a death or divorce. In the example above, say the inheritance came in 15 years ago and there was $300,000 left, but in that time, it had commingled with other assets. It started out as an inheritance divided evenly between the parties, so it lost all its character as separate because people didn't deal with it, or they intended for the inheritance to be used by both. That's generally not people's way of thinking of it, but sometimes it's reality because they didn't know they had to do something. Another reason people get a premarital agreement is when one spouse has a lot of debt, because you can protect yourselves from certain creditors with an agreement that eliminates community income or community property, which means the deadbeat spouse's creditors can't levy any of the property. The issue is that some people come in with, say, $20,000 in credit card debt, and the credit card company is after whatever they can find during the marriage, including the other spouse's earnings and community assets to recover that. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Kenneth Raggio in Dallas, Texas at 214-880-7503 or visit him on the web at www.raggiolaw.com.